Hello everyone, myself Karupasamy. Today I am going to present a topic about window test prototype. First, what is window test prototype? The designers who were designed their web page will be evaluated before getting into the full scale development. That prototype will be evaluated by the layout, functionality and usability of the web page. This will be gather some information about interaction, feedback about the web page for you from the user's point of view. From that, the designers will refine again the web page before proceeding with full-scale development. And then, yearly design evaluation. This yearly design evaluation will undergo for the designers often create prototypes of the UI to evaluate its layout, navigation flow and overall usability. From the flowchart itself, we can know about it will determine the needs of the users to use their web page, and then the designers will build their prototype from their users point of view and evaluate the prototype. After that, they will continue with the full scale development. The next one is iterative design process. This iterative design process will be the designers can gather some feedback from the stakeholders. That means the trusted people. I told earlier itself, the designers will gather some feedback and usability from the users, those who used their web page or their interface in the earlier stage itself. This feedback helps to identify any usability issues or design flaws from their point of view. That means the user's point of view. From this feedback, they will rearrange or refine the the interface, and then they will remodify the web page, and then they will further undergo the process for a full scale development. And then interactive testing. This interactive testing for the users and the designers may include interactive elements such as buttons, drop down menus, like that. From this, the users and the designers may know that how the users will use the web page from their point of view, like that. This will help the users to navigate for further process, and then they will use some other sites to and then from this testing process the users will mimic their behavior to know what's happening in that website. This will be useful for the designers to undergo further process, and they will produce their final product of output. Then visual design exploration. Prototypes also serves some other platforms for exploring different visual design options such as color schemes, typography and image, like that. From that exploring different visual design, the designers will know what's happening in their website, and the users also know how this will be attractive for them. Likewise, the designers can experiment with various design elements to find the most visually appealing and effective solution. In the below image itself, they says the buttons and the images, some other logos. From that, they will understand, the users will understand how to use their website, and then they will navigate from this type of designs and visual images. Last, we will see a real world example. There is a website called Airbnb. The Airbnb website team, designing team, launch a window test prototype to know how they created and designed their web page and how it will be effective for the users. For their window test prototype, they invited some potential hosts and guests to gather some feedback on their layout, navigation flow, and overall user experience. Based on the insights they gained, they iteratively refined the prototype, addressing any identified issues and optimizing usability. From that, they redesigned their website, and then they undergo further process to full scale development. This is one of the example that Airbnb have tested their windows for usability checking. Thank you. So this is called window test prototype. That's all. Thank you.